He tells her rolling to the Brooklyn Bridge. There's always six enough for a home more than an empty fridge.
Parang yun din yun. Pumunta dun sa amin.
Ayo?
Kinain mo.
Ay, may iba itang time sila ng jeep.
Oo. Ito, bar oh. You know, bar oh. May DJ. Sa loob, party-party naman ka. Mamaya sinasayaw ka na ng ibang lalaki. Oh. Shakes. Ano, henna?
Ito ba yung may pool yung ano?
Lahat yan may pool. Lahat.
Hindi, I mean, ayun o, yung sa may harap ng ano, yung maganda, yung pinapanood natin, di ba?
Iba?
Doon yun, sa kabila.
Oo.
Din sila nagstay sila, ano, sa Gilgil. Hindi sila nagstay sa Shangri-La.
Palm, ano? Palm, basta palm. Henan, palm.
Bakit di sila nagstay sa Shanghai? Shangri-La, o kaya dun sa Crimson, di ba?
Wala.
Crimson yung isa, di ba?
Siyempre, ano, mahal masyado siguro.
Crimson yung isa, di ba? Bakit siya,
Madami
ano?
sila.
Crimson, di ba?
Oo.
Yung katabi niya.
Oo.
Presents this plaque of appreciation to Representative Wallace Mead Ganchao, Representative of Taipei Economic and Cultural Office in the Philippines, a token of our sincere gratitude for your support and sharing your time and effort as guest of honor and speaker in the Boracay diplomatic visit hosted by the municipality of Balay-Aklan in collaboration with One Click Events and Management Services and Global Tourism Business Association, given its agency of April 2024 at Hanan Regency Hotel, Boracay, Balay-Aklan, Philippines. Signed by Michelle Guerrero Kailan, GTBA founder and president, signed by Norma Florida Bautista, Municipal Mayor of Balay.